its culture date back millennia. That being said, it is also true that many threads still link us back to those ancient times, albeit a few centuries. Across India, there are innumerable hotspots that still boast of preserving these ancient links, even in the 21st century. One such hotspot in Assam is that of Majuli, the world's largest riverine island, lying on the mighty Brahmaputra river.
हमारा ये सामुगरी सत्र बोला है। ये सत्र का नाम, ये सत्र एस्टाब्लिश हुआ था 1663 और किंग चक्रधर सिंह सत्र एस्टाब्लिश किया था। एक पेड़ का नीचे ये सत्र जो एस्टाब्लिश किया था, चक्र पानी आता से शरण लेकर ये सामुगरी सत्र नाम रखा है। पेड़ का नाम श्याम, ये सामुगरी सत्र बोला है। और सत्र का जो मेन कल्चर है ये मुकुटा बनाने के लिए, ये 500 साल आगे हमारा गुरु शंकरदेव का पहले मुकुटा बनाया। ये एक परंपरा चल रहा है और आगे तो आसाम का सभी जगह में ये मुकुटा है। तो सभी लोग को ये सम्मान नहीं किया गया और छोड़ दिया है।
Majuli proclaims serenity. The small community that calls the island its home have carried forward a rich tradition of satras, monastic centers of art. Dating back to the 17th century, some satras continue to exist, immersed in their devotion to Lord Vishnu through dramatic enactments to the Ramayana and Mahabharata. The only makeup? Masks. The most scenic, yet somewhat slow, route is by a ferry. That takes almost an hour to reach. Once there, one is immediately surrounded by an otherworldly experience.
Behind me is an almost 500-year-old Satra, which is a cultural center. People come, tourists come here to learn how to make masks like the ones you can see behind me, and I'm going to show you what all is done in this center.
But this tradition has only been preserved as it was passed down from generation to generation. Even today, teenagers can be seen engaged, carefully crafting the mask using the same age-old techniques. Though this cultural treasure manages to exist today, it has been through a period of negligence some 5 years ago. It was only after a change in administration that cultural preservation was put on Assam's developmental map. In fact, only last year, Himanta Biswa Sarma, Minister for Finance for Assam, had announced the state government's provision of rupees 2.5 lakh each to 8,000 Namghars in the state under the Assam Darshan scheme.
पहले नहीं किया है, बातों भी जब बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट आया तब से वो उस लोगों का डेवलपमेंट कर।
What's more, the recent push for development in Majuli, be through roads or the Majuli Jorhat Bridge, will ensure its traditions are immortalized. The massive strides towards protecting the unique identity of a region that is both ecologically and culturally sensitive has been a key area of concern for the Assam government. The results of these efforts are definitely visible across the state. If you're ever in Majuli, be sure to witness the masks come to life, but be careful lest the playful-looking Sheshnag devours you. Until next time, keep watching New India Junction.